Wisetag or QR code on Wise. Hey guys, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva is back with another video. And in this video, I'll show you how you can enable your Wisetag or QR code to receive QR code payments here in your Wisetag wallet. Before that, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. Here I make diverse tutorials, always to make things easier for you. So guys, there are other videos about Wise here on the channel, as well as other similar videos. If you have any questions or are curious about new videos, I'll leave a playlist on the card that can help you out. And in this video, you'll learn how to enable your Wisetag in your Wise account. So let's go guys. I've already logged into my account and you're going to click up here on the initials of your name. Then you will have the option to enable or create your Wisetag or create your Wise QR code. Go ahead and click it. It's disabled by default. So to enable it, you're going to click down here on create your Wisetag. And that's it guys, you've already created your QR code, your Wisetag here. You can share the link by clicking down here, copy that link. And here is your QR code, which the person can scan to send you payments. You can take a screenshot and print it out and put it wherever you want. Also here you have your username for that wallet. So if you click up here on your name, people can find you by your username here at Wise. That's it guys. Do you have any questions? Put them below in the comments. Subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials. I'll leave it at that. Big hug. Stay with God. Thanks guys.